Across the United States, you'll find a leather shop in any military town. Fayetteville, North Carolina is no exception. Blacktop Leather is a veteran-owned dealer of FMC leather goods and accessories for motorcyclists. They are a fairly new first manufacturing dealer, but don't let that fool you. With quality products and a staff who understands bikers' clothing, Blacktop is your main stop for leather and gear.
Well, we had about 4 different leather shops in this area. One, the owner died. The wife didn't want to do it anymore, and another one burned out. So there was like a loophole my husband has seen in it, and he came up with that bright idea. He wants to open up a leather shop. So we started first with the trailer, going to different events. And as we seen, we were doing it out of our house. We had a separate little room. Who outgrew it real fast, because we had friends who were coming to us and they're all like, you need to open a store, you need to open a store. And so here we are. We opened the store about a year and a half ago. It's a great experience, scary, but great. You meet awesome people. I mean, from the companies to the customers, you know, you got great relations with anybody that you work with. Talking to Pat. It's so funny because when you meet him personally, like Aaron, it's just the connection you got. You know, for me, it's like talking to his son, you know, so I call him, he was like, hey, patron. I'm like, hey, love, how are you? I need this and that and the other. It's just a great company. What I love the most is not just talking to Pat or Aaron or Elaine. It's the fact that they stand behind their product. And it makes it much easier on anybody who sells the product, because customers are coming in and we can exchange it, we can call, we can fix it. It's not that I can tell you, no, I'm sorry, you know, it expired. A lot of people look at warranties, they look at a good product they're paying for, and the prices are very, very good. So that's why I love calling first manufacturer. Well, we are working on breaking the wall down within the next 2 weeks, moving everything over and around, so we got more space, we can get more products from First, and what is very high in demand right now. So we got more space, more walking area, more room to store stuff. Well, I don't have to wait 2 days or hoping they have it in stock. We can stock it up.